Good morning, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to hop into Walgreens to share with you guys the best deals going on over at Walgreens starting the 6th of October. And I just want to mention to you guys, as I was driving over here, CVS Couponzales, she posted a video called Confessions of a Couponer, Who Am I? I'm going to leave her link to her video. I think you guys really need to go and watch it. I'm like halfway in, and it's just something that's so like vulnerable for a person to like put themselves out there on camera and like share their life, especially in the world of YouTube, because you know, you don't know who's watching, and just to put yourself in that type of environment to like share intimate things about your life, you put yourself out there to potentially get criticized. So I think it's really brave of her to step out and like share some real life stuff aside from couponing. So I want you guys to go and check out her video, check out her channel. And I really think that as a community in the couponing community, we need to do more of uplifting each other and working together. So definitely go and check out CVS Couponzales. I'm gonna leave her video linked below as well, because it's definitely a must watch video. So now let's go and hop into Walgreens. All right, you guys, so I'm definitely gonna keep my eyes peeled for a deal on this Soap and Glory set. It is $40. I know it's gonna go on sale, so I'm gonna be waiting for this. Oh my gosh, if you guys have not tried the Soap and Glory items, you need to. All right, you guys, so we have a buy one, get one 50% off sale on Revlon cosmetics this week. So what you can do is buy 2 of the Revlon Candid Ready concealer. So I'm going to leave Tati's video linked below. If you haven't seen it, she reviewed this and she really enjoys this drugstore concealer. So what you can do is buy 2 of them for $14.98. We are getting 5 off 1 coupons coming in our Smart Source. So that's going to drop it down to $4.98 for the both of them, which I think is a fantastic deal. So if you guys are actually able to go and do this deal today, if you were able to get your newspapers early, this is actually going to be a moneymaker with those $5 coupons. Alrighty, you guys, so Shea Moisture products here at Walgreens are on a buy one, get one 50% off sale. And inside of your Walgreens app, there is actually a $2 coupon you can send to your Walgreens app. So if you've been curious about Shea Moisture, definitely take advantage of it when it's buy one, get one 50%. And then I'm just lightly going to go through some of these deals that I'm seeing. There's even a detoxifying micellar water for Shea Moisture, so you can go ahead and send that $2 coupon and it'll make it just $3.49. Also, I'm seeing some Burt's Bees cleansing oil on clearance. There was also some Burt's Bees for 79 cents. I see another hydrating toner, a soothing cream for $5.99, eye cream with milk thistle. So there's a lot of Shea Moisture clearance that you can go ahead and use that $2 coupon on. So you also could use the $2 coupon on the Shea Moisture hairline. So it is buy one, get one 50%. So this is going to be good through the 29th through the 2nd of November. So there is a lot of time to take advantage of this buy one, get one 50% with Shea Moisture. So if you get some Shea Moisture coupons, just know in the back of your mind, okay, it's buy one, get one 50% over at Walgreens through November 2nd. So really great deal. And I know that these are really good for like curly hair. So here's even something that's priced really well. It's $4.29 for a curl enhancing smoothie product. So if you guys have tried this, let me know, because like I've mentioned, my daughter's Scarlett, she does have curly hair. It's kind of like a wavy curly hair. So let me know if you guys have tried this and if you like it. All right, you guys, so I mentioned this to you guys in a live video. I'm actually partnering up with a charity called Laura's House. So what I'm going to be doing is fixing up some stockings for the women that are in the shelter over the holiday time. And I just want to touch on something really quick. If you guys have a lot of like Suave kids, like shampoo, body wash, stuff like that, this is like highly asked for on their wish list. So if you guys have an excess of that in your stockpile, you want to get rid of it, feel free to send it to my PO box, as well as any other like cosmetics, hair stuff, something that you would think that you know, a woman in a shelter would enjoy. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm putting together stockings to gift to the women in the shelters. So if you guys want to, you know, join in with me on this project, it definitely can be a group effort. So my PO box address is always in the description box if you ever want to send anything. All right, you guys, so we still have a really good deal on Centrum here at Walgreens. So the buy one, get one 50% is valid through the 2nd of November, and we have those $4 coupons. They were only good for about 2 weeks, I believe it is. So this will be a really good time to stock up on some vitamins. So I'm seeing the vitamins as low as $9.99. So let's round it to 10. You would buy one for $9.99. You get the second half off, and then you can use 2 of those 4 off 1 coupons. So if this is the time to stock up for your vitamins, I would definitely encourage it, especially since we have those high value $4 coupons. All right, you guys, so I actually have something really fun to share with you guys as well. No, this is not a sponsored video, but I did receive a package in the mail, so I want to go ahead and share it with you guys. And it's from the company Julie Box. So I've shared Julie Box on my channel once before, and they currently did kind of like a revamp of their company, and I'm all about supporting women-based businesses. So the owner of the company, her name is Katie. She's in Nashville, and she is a girl boss, and I'm all about that. So I'm happy to share her box with you guys. So Julie Box is a jewelry subscription service, and you can pick from gold, you can pick from silver, or you can do a mix and match. And they really did revamp their product. So this is the box that it comes in, and she turned the packaging into like a reusable jewelry box, which I think is awesome, because then you can keep like all of your Julie Box jewelry like together in one place. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what is in this month's box. So this is the box for October. So I picked the silver box, and the first thing inside of here are these diamond earrings, and then like diamond shape earrings, and then it has this like metal bar right here. So I think that these are super cute and a really nice like statement earring, but with a more like simplistic like design, if that makes any sense. And then the next thing in here is a necklace, and I asked for silver because I always go for like gold and rose gold, so I thought I would give something new a try. So this is the silver necklace that comes along with it, and I think that this would even be like a nice item for, you know, if you have teenage daughters and maybe they need some like jewelry for like formal. I think homecoming's already passed, but like winter formal, even thinking ahead to prom, like this would be a nice like box to go ahead and gift your teenager for like dances, because they all kind of go together and it's priced really well. So then the next thing in here, it looks like it is a bracelet, and this is really pretty. I really don't wear a whole lot of bracelets. So this is the bracelet right here, and I think that this is just, and this is the bracelet right here. There's just some rhinestone detail, and yeah. So this is everything that comes into the Julie Box for October. So you are able to decide if you want gold or if you want silver. So I wanted to go ahead and just share this with you guys. If you're at all interested, I'm gonna link all of their info in the description box. I have a code for you guys. So thank you so much to Katie and the Julie Box team for sending that over to me. So now let's get back into the Walgreens deals. Alrighty guys, so the Halloween M&Ms here at Walgreens, these are on sale 3 for $8, and we have a $1 off 2 coupon, so that's going to drop it down to 3 for $7. Okay, so the Russell Stouffer marshmallow candies, these are going to be 3 for $1, which is great because the current price on these are 3 for $2, so you're going to get them cheaper. Alright you guys, so inside of my Walgreens app, there's actually a 3 off 2 coupon for Hallmark cards. Now it excludes the 99-cent cards. So I'm seeing, you know, birthday cards for $2.99. Your store might have some that are $2, but you can buy 2 of them for $5.98. You can use that 3 off 2 coupon, so it makes it $2.98 or $1.49 a card, which I think is pretty good, especially if you don't have a Dollar Tree around. But like I said, just look at the back of the cards and see if there are any cheaper ones. All right, you guys, so the must-do deals here at Walgreens this week definitely has to be on the Angel Soft toilet paper. So the 12 rolls are priced for $4.99. There's a $1 off 1 coupon you can send to your Walgreens app, so it makes it just $3.99. Okay, so another deal is on the 9-roll Angel Soft. So these are on sale for $1.99. There is a $1 coupon you can send to your Walgreens app, making this just 99 cents. You cannot beat this coupon, you guys. You cannot beat this deal. Come in here and get 99-cent toilet paper. You guys, so the nice sandwich bags, these guys are buy one, get two free. So you come in here, you buy one for $2.99, and then you get two of them for free. So you get three of them for $2.99. So I think that's a killer price. Guys, so also included in this buy one, get two free sale is on the trash bags. So the trash bags are buy one, get two free, and the current sale going on is buy one get one free. So this is a great time to stock up on your storage bags as well as your trash bags. So a deal that you absolutely should be passing on is definitely the Hefty, because the Hefty is priced for $7.99 on sale. So why would you go for the Hefty at $7.99 when you could buy one of the nice trash bags, 28 bags, and then you buy one for $7.99 and then you get two more free? So it would make much more sense for you to go nice versus the Hefty. Guys, so the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, so we're talking the pack. So we're talking the 3-in-1 power packs as well as the liquid. They're priced for $6.99 and then you get the second one for free. In my opinion, I don't think this is a really good deal to do, because stock up for Arm & Hammer is definitely 99 cents. We've been known to get this detergent for 99 cents, so I would definitely pass on this deal. Guys, so the 12 packs of sodas, this is Pepsi as well as Coca-Cola. They are on sale for 3 for $9.99, and there is a $1 off 1 coupon. So it drops it down to just $8.99 for 3, which is great, especially since CVS price this next week is 2 for $9. So if you're going to stock up on 12 packs, definitely do it over at Walgreens. We have a great deal on the Kraft mac and cheese. So the box mac and cheese are on sale for just 89 cents. So it's a really good deal. Kraft is a bonus brand on Fetch Rewards. So when you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, you're going to get bonus points when you submit your receipt. So this is a great deal, and food pantries absolutely love receiving Kraft like box mac and cheese. This is usually the top of their request list when it comes to food donations. Guys, so we have a deal going on General Mills. I do not think it's on the family size, but for whatever reason, oh wait, here we go. Duh. Okay, so the boxed General Mills cereals, these guys are on sale for $1.99. There is a $1 off 2 Walgreens app coupon you guys can go ahead and use, so it drops it down to just $1.49. Don't forget to clip your box tops for education. My PO box is always below if you guys want to go ahead and send over to me. They do go to my kids' school anytime that you send them to me. Alrighty guys, so Blue Diamond almonds, these guys are on sale for $5.99 again. It seems like they run this deal about once or twice a month. So they're on sale for $5.99. The regular price is $9.99, so we're getting a $1 off 1 coupon in our Smart Source, so it's going to take it down to just $4.99, which is a great price on almonds. So Planters peanuts are also on a 2 for $5 sale, and there's a $1 off 2 coupon you guys can go ahead and use, so it drops it down to 2 for $4 or $2 each. All right, so we have a buy one get one free sale on the Ore-Ida French fries, as well as the Tyson chicken nugget, as well as the Heinz tomato ketchup. So these are priced for $5.49. The French fries are priced for $3.79, and the Tyson chicken nuggets are priced for $5.79. So this is a really great deal. So you can end up getting 2 bags of Tyson chicken for $5.79, which I think is a killer deal. I want to end this Walgreens in-store video with something more like uplifting for you guys. So I'm going to end this Walgreens in-store video with something my mom actually clipped out of the newspaper. My mom is that person that will clip things out of the newspaper if she thinks that it applies. So she actually wanted to clip this out and have me read this to you guys, because sometimes couponing doesn't go the way we want. So it says, sometimes things just don't go the way you planned. When that happens, you have the option to choose to put on your boxing gloves and fight it. Chances are, however, that it won't change a thing. You'll just feel angrier and more uptight. On any given week, you can expect something to cause a disturbance in your life. Since these unexpected events are a guaranteed part of life, the best way to deal with them is just to go with the flow. If there's something that can be done, do it. But if not, there's no point in getting so upset that all the rational thought flies out the window. Anger and frustration use up a lot of our energy. Expending it all on one event won't leave any for the next thing that comes your way, causing you to become easily overwhelmed. Remember, you only have to address what's before you. Don't let your mind Karen into imagined future full of tragedy and despair. Handle each thing as it shows up. Stay as calm and as humanly possible. This will ensure that you'll be able to tackle the situation in the best way and still have energy for that next unexpected thing that shows up at your doorstep. So this is the little, I don't know if you guys want to like screenshot this. I'll go ahead and leave it here. I'll take a photo of it and share it with you guys. But I think that this really does apply, especially when it comes to couponing, because sometimes we'll come in thinking our deals are going to go the way we want, and then something happens at the register, or maybe we have a cashier that's, you know, not being very nice to us, and then our initial reaction is to get upset, you know, maybe call corporate or do something, you know, out of, you know, emotion, out of frustration. So, you know, when couponing trips don't go your way, just take a breath and move on. So thank you so much for joining me in today's Walgreens in-store couponing deals. So I will have CVS coupons all listed below, as well as her video, as well as a printable document to help navigate you guys through these Walgreens deals. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and comment below letting me know what your favorite Walgreens deal is.